What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. It is 5:30 in the morning, 1 hour before market opens, and right now what I'm going to be doing is just watching some trading videos before market opens. We are going to be hopping on live with we are going to be hopping on Max's Discord once again, but unlike yesterday, today we're going to be leaving if he starts yapping about bullshit. But I'm gonna take whatever trade they take. Yesterday they made money, I didn't take their trades. They didn't understand why they took the trades, so I didn't take their trades, but clearly they know what they're doing and I don't. But it's fine. We gonna live, we gonna learn. We are currently in drawdown, unfortunately, so let's go ahead and pull up Top Step first. So damn. All right, let's remove drawings. So let's go into the 1 hour mark, mark out the highs and lows. E, what's up, Pri? How's it going? Hey, I appreciate you for pulling up. Listo pa chambear or what? Are you guys still at main? Damn. So yesterday there was a high. There's a big spike up. Ah, dude. Let's hope today's a good day in the market. Damn, it's tanking. Damn. Holy shit, it's been tanking since 5:24. Taking scaffold down, gonna nap right now. Yeah, get some rest, dude. Damn, taking scaffold down? They got y'all doing that shit? That's crazy. I actually had a talk with my aunt, the one that owns the paleteria, and she was telling me that I should get a higher paying job. One of the workers at the paleteria said that her brother works in construction, and my aunt said I should do it. I was contemplating it, but I told the lady, I'm like, well, let your brother know if he's able to get me a job. I don't want to do it. I really don't. But fuck, dude, I'm broke. They didn't give me my loan for Beneco. So I gotta wait until October to get my whole Beneco. Yeah. Gabby from the office called me and she's all like, you don't work with us anymore, so you cannot get your loan out. I'm like, bro, I tried to take out the loan before I quit. Did not give a fuck. So our fair value gap right here. For sure, shit, fool, I don't even know if the call will go through. I don't even have line, but I'll hit y'all up. Hit me up. Appreciate it. Appreciate you for pulling up. Get some rest in before work. Alright, so here's what we're looking at, fellas. 1 hour fair value gap. Here's the highs of this session. The highs of the last session is technically this right here, which goes into this session, but we'll just call it at this.
It always starts the same way. A good setup, a clear plan. Then something unexpected, a loss, a bigger one than you expected, a mistake that shouldn't have happened. And then, snap, something inside you breaks, logic fades, emotion takes over, and suddenly you're no longer trading the chart, you're trading your anger. Tom's most expensive lesson, December 2012. Lost $8,000 on a perfect setup that got stopped out by 1 pip before running 300 pips in his direction. Instead of walking away, he went full tilt, tripled his position size, abandoned his system, started trading every tick like it owed him money. 6 hours later, $62,000 gone, his entire year's profit. Why? Because that 1 pip felt like a personal insult. The aftermath was brutal, but also hilarious in hindsight.
All right, well, good morning. Yeah, Trace, good morning. Brad, good morning. Sandra, good morning.
Did you just say my name?
Good morning. Dubia, good morning. Hefe, good morning. Slash, good morning. Spark, good morning. Rain, Zach, good morning. Priscilla, good morning. Mama D, good morning. Here, good morning. Kinga, good morning. Renee, good morning. BBJ, good morning.
I swear I heard him say my name.
Come back. Yeah, I'm shot, boy. I'm shot.
Yo, what the fuck was that?
I'll go back to my throat. My voice is, bro. All right. My voice gets so fucked up from being in the casino because I'm inhaling all that cigarette smoke.
I mean, we're fucking, all right, so market's currently tanking. They said you sound like the Allstate guy. Sheesh.
Are you in good hands? Hey, are you in good hands?
This is
straight barcoding right now. Straight barcoding.
Barcode. I like the barcode though. I wanted to barcode a little bit more and then push down and then go back into the barcode and then just take it up. That's
Well,
why it makes more
SPX
sense to
looks
me.
a little. SPX has a lot of relative strength right now. I'm just being patient, waiting right here. I think that we're gonna fill the gap to the upside, and then I'd like to see a dump. I'd like to see a dump for a reversal. So almost right here, we're about to fill the complete gap from yesterday's close. That's a nice sign. We're at a peak on NQ right here. We're at a peak. So I'd like to see the gap here fill completely right there. Right there. That's a total gap fill. And now this candle's breaking out. The long looks really fucking
Well,
good.
Nate Dogg is going live with FFF. Congrats, bro. That's big.
Congratulations, Nate. Congratulations. Very nice, man. Congratulations.
So look, I'm gonna just draw it out. I'd like to see something like this. Barcode, barcode, barcode.
I like the short
low,
here a lot.
Right back in, and
I
then
like
all
the
the way
short,
up.
Mama.
If this doesn't happen, then it's gonna melt all the way to like 4 something. But if something like this doesn't happen, then yeah, we catch it.
As long as NQ doesn't break above like 60 here, I think the short might be good. If we're chopping, this is definitely where it pulls back. It's at a peak, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. Oh my god, oh my god. I like that short right at the peak. Oh, this is so picture perfect, guys. And if we're in a chop, you take profit quick. 1 candle drop. One. All right, there we go.
Didn't even print yet. Fucking TP hit.
I'm up 1,300 on the cash accounts. I'm gonna roll over to my Tradeify straight to fundeds. I like the short a lot on that peak. I told you guys I like the gap fill, the fake up move, and then the dumper. There's the continuation of the dumper. It's already up 15 points. I'm gonna log off of trading bait. And I'm gonna log off of cash accounts and move over to Tradeify's straight to some lightning funded. Why do you guys make trading so fucking hard? Trading is not hard. I am banged up right now. And I can sit here and make fucking a bag real quick and then
order filled.
Move to my next account and get
I really want to know, what's it like if I really were to like get you drunk, bro? Like, you're banged up right now, and you were just sitting down drinking coffee, fucking playing blackjack.
This is why I don't drink. Imagine if I was wasted on top of this.
You would have been tweaking right now.
Bro, it takes me 2 days to like recover from fucking drinking. It literally takes me like 2 days to recover. If I was drinking last night, I wouldn't be here.
We're still in that barcode as anticipated. Want to see?
We're at the top. We're at the top of. We're breaking the top of yesterday's highs.
Yeah, Logan, we do.
With confluence. I mean, NQ showing a lot of relative weakness here. Oh God, I'm gonna vomit.
Didn't even drink. What do you mean? Like, what the fuck is wrong with this? We were just sitting down playing cards, dude, and you're like, fuck, I'm hungover.
I fucking had a lot of mac and cheese.
Bro, I didn't even know you ordered mac and cheese. And so we finished eating and I see it next to you. I'm like, this guy just smashed all the mac and cheese. I didn't even get to try it.
Smash that, man. I'm about to take a short here on the Tradeify straight to fundeds. I like the short.
I'm not taking the short. This is literally, look, I drew it out for you guys. I want to see if this short now.
I'm about to oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Careful here, Maxie. This is what I wanted to see for the long. Look how I drew this picture perfect.
No, I like it, Poppy. It's got to break through 26. It's a nice wick out. All right.
Look, I drew this out for you, Maxie. Barcode, barcode, come down, swing up, come back into chop. Look, boop. And now if we can flip here, I'm probably going to jump long.
Llama.
Drew it out for you guys.
Llama.
I wanted to snap the bottom.
Llama.
Yes, Maximus.
I already smacked it for 2,850 blood.
I fucking right there.
I already smacked it for 2,850.
That's my fucking
I told you I like the short blood.
I know you told me. That's the thing.
I said that.
No, but like, you said that though. Like if you really think about it, you said that though.
You know I got a problem with my throat.
I thought you had a good throat. I thought you had good throat.
Bro, I got the worst fucking throat. My throat is horrendous, bro. Shit just gets stuck in there. We're testing that peak again with this relative weakness on NQ. If SPX doesn't break this high, I think another short is imminent. I think another short on NQ is imminent.
I'll tell you one thing. If NQ breaks over midline, I'll probably take the trade. ES has no signs of going down.
ES looks good. ES does look good. triple wick right there. I mean, it really needs a candle to push through, but that relative weakness, man, I'm telling you, I think if this is a 3-bar down, I'm gonna go short again. Yep, I'm gonna go short
I was
again.
thinking that.
I'm gonna go short again, and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I like it, I love it. Big Daddy Max, stop shorting me. Oh, taking profit again. Like 30 seconds, I'm up fucking 5,400 on the funded accounts. I'm up 5,000 again. Another $6,000 day. I'm up 20,000 in 3 days on the week across all fundeds. The short looks amazing. I told you guys the short looks amazing. I kept fucking saying it. We're up 60 points. Everyone should be up on the short.
I
So
should've been
heavy
up
with
from
me.
here.
All I
I
did
just got
was
out
say
real
go
quick.
short, daddy. All I did was say go short,
Didn't you
daddy.
with 1300 on?
It might flip.
Does Tradeify get you
Tell me, we
payouts
have
on the
this
funded?
hour.
Fuck yeah, dog. I'm about to be on their leaderboard. Who's up? Who's up with your boy right now on the shorts? Be honest.
I'm gonna keep
Who
it a
is
beaner
up
with you.
with your motherfucking boy? If this is a 3Z down again, we are gonna probably break all the way down into the 70s. Or watch an orb candle pop back in here. I mean, SPX clearly has a lot of relative strength for you guys. And SPX can pop up to the upside. If it does break the sell zone of 49 and a quarter, I agree with Llama that NQ might even go green on the day. And that would be about an 80-point move to the upside. So what was my rank in the military? I got out as a corporal. So, and Logan got demoted and he got out as a lance corporal. So he technically has to stand in parade rest for me from now on, that big pussy.
All right, we're back into orb, which makes it very interesting. Honestly, like
E4 Mafia, Mafia. I couldn't make E5.
I hesitated.
I was scheduled to go to VLC and everything. I was gonna go to E5.
Hesitated.
There goes the long.
Order
There it
filled.
goes. Just like
I
you just
hesitated
said.
on it.
Don't hesitate. You still have room. If it breaks 49, Llama, you go.
I really
If it
don't
breaks
care.
49, you catch 30 points up.
Yo, how crazy was it? Those like losing those fucking hands for like $50 yesterday, like the fucking pain it brings. But like I see like fucking minus 30K drawdown. I'm just like, fuck it, we're good.
I make
Holy
$6,000 a day this week trading on funded accounts and cash
That's
accounts.
crazy.
So it's real bread I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a real payout.
Little risk to reward trade in here.
Unmade 9 bands. Let's go, twin.
We'll just get one in here for the long here. I'm gonna just get one in here, guys. I go structure
Order
low.
filled.
I like
at
the
30
long here a
points.
lot.
I think I might just go candle low.
If this long can break the neckline right here,
Yep.
this is gonna
Already
run.
know.
Let's see it break
Already know.
the pivot
Let's
hunter
do it.
at 30. If it breaks the pivot hunter at 30, I think this thing is gonna go.
See, I'm just gonna go under the candle here. I really have light risk. There's the push.
There
There's
goes.
volume. There's the
There
push.
goes.
I'm just gonna go break even on that trade at this point. Matter of fact, before I go break even, I might as well. I'm up
Nice.
300 per account. If I go half right here, 400 per account. I'm collecting 250
Nice.
right there, and I'm going break even just like that. Jesus fucking
Nice
Christ! I got
job.
logged out for y'all. I can't even show y'all.
All
But
the
here we go.
MOT
Boom.
indicators are firing along right now. Let's go.
Yep.
Fire. Good
I
job.
love when the indicators start to fucking tell me my shit's looking good.
Nice.
That's
Too
great.
easy right here.
There's my
chat.
entry.
Come on,
There's
one
my
tick.
break even. I already partialed out just like that. So
All we
yeah,
do
no,
is
it
win,
was
win,
fucking.
win.
That was the worst part. Is that on Saturday, me and
And this
Logan
shit's
were
up 20
swinging.
points, Llama. This shit's up over 20 points.
Yeah, I'm 20 points in profit. Break even. I already
said what?
collected
What'd you
250, and I'm
say?
sitting another 250. So
What'd you
Saturday,
say?
me and Logan were swinging like five to 800, even 5 to like
Pause,
$1,000
pause.
hands.
Pause.
We were
Pause,
throwing.
pause.
We
Pause.
were throwing down
Pause,
fucking
pause.
$500 to $1,000 hands and getting rinsed.
Brother.
Pause.
I threw down a $700 hand and straight $25 chips. It was a Hulk peen. It was like a tower.
Wow.
And when I went that one, we just went on the heater. From there, it just started
I
heating.
wanted to fucking. I should have just taken out.
I
400.
hate when my stop's in a fair value. Yep, there's the top of the fair value. If this wicks out and goes, my stop was just in a bad place. But I mean, just like that, there's $500 on the day. If this
What-
pops up, it's because my stop loss was just in the wrong place. I knew I should have had it lower. But I'm pretty content with that. We're officially out of the trade, guys. My stop loss was here. You see it get hit. And this makes a lot of sense right here.
Order filled.
Price
That's a lot.
from resistance, easy pullback,
Fuck.
very necessary. Now, if it breaks this
Should
high,
close at
this
400.
fucking explodes, and my stop loss should have never got trailed. Quick sauce for you.
Let me hold up.
Llama, I just realized you don't have a neck. God, I got a neck, twin. I got a neck, twin. I got a neck, twin. Hold on, let me see this fucking guy real quick.
You guys don't understand a trading program?
But I'm not even tripping about almost blowing this
I don't
account.
know.
I'll blow this
I don't
account
know.
today.
I think I'm gonna have to start waking up too.
I feel like I've been
Amazing,
getting
yeah.
closer and closer to getting
it's gonna
this
be
shit right. And this one was
absolutely
right, bro. My fucking
amazing,
stop
and
loss
I
stopped me out. I'd be
am
right
proud
here,
to
man.
That
Second day that my
today,
stop fucking fucks me,
Jaylee
man. I'm about to be this fool.
Jamie
Where is he?
are officially
Mr.
in
No
London.
no stop loss, no
They
problem.
are officially part
Mr.
of the
No stop
team,
loss, man.
and they are going to.
I'm so
pumped.
excited about that.
Kill me so I can go to
She's
the
already
gym.
been in there
Order
with us.
filled.
Here's
Alright,
all the
bye.
crazy shit. She's
Fuck
been
you.
awesome.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah,
Dude, the
so
stop loss, I would have been up
for
here.
the ladies only ticks. I mean,
That
some of
stop
them,
loss
we're
is
gonna have to come
crazy.
up with
Plus,
a name.
no
And
fucking
Jaylee and
retest.
Jamie, if
You're
you guys
just
like any other
went
photos or
fucking
gifts
crazy.
or
But I don't
anything,
know what these guys
copy
see.
them
They
and
know
pull them to the side
they've been in
and
the
put them
market.
the-
They're on a hot streak.
the London show.
They
with,
know what they're doing.
Group chat.
I'm
so
just
we
getting
can kinda
started,
build off of it.
learning
We can
every
build it.
single
So,
day. And
It's
don't
just
worry,
what you guys
I'm
like,
not gonna
bro.
let this shit
We work hard
demotivate
as a
me. I'll
team,
never
so
let this shit
everyone knows
demotivate me.
there's a
I'll never
bunch of good
quit.
shit in there, but
Let's
you
go
guys
to
have
this
like
comment
it,
right
of
here.
course.
Because this fucking
Let's fucking make
dumbass
sure
does
you guys
not understand that I'm not trading my actual fucking bread. Alright. This guy's funny though. I love that he comments paragraphs, bro. Helping the algorithm. Look at this big ass paragraph. Damn, I just looked on Kick and bro is down 211 yesterday and 804 today. Alright, Artard. Let me explain to you how a funded account works. Cause shit, bro. Mr. Know-It-All does not know what the fuck a funded account is. Instead of wasting hundreds of dollars, yeah, I've been trading thousands of my own dollars. For sure. Oh my god. On these gambling accounts, you could be investing that money into the stock market and actually building wealth over time. Alright. So here's what I gotta say about the long-term investing. But you gotta have bread stacked up to fucking be able to do that shit. You can't make fucking money on the stock market for the long term just investing $50 a month, $50 a week. That's not gonna cut it, man. Maybe if I would have done it when I was working construction, yeah, it would have been smarter. But that's the what ifs. The thing about trading is this funded account, you're able to take out payouts out of trading money that isn't yours. You are able to make 10 bands in a month, 5 bands in a month, doing the right thing. That's why I'm learning to do the right thing. You claim that you understand the market. I never claimed I understand the market. I said I'm starting to understand it. I'm trying to learn how to understand it. That's why I'm watching these guys on the daily basis to understand. That's why I'm watching YouTube videos to understand. And it's not even understanding the market. It's more so being in control of your psychology. It's more so being in control of your emotions. That's really the main purpose of trading and the main difference between unsuccessful traders and successful traders. I don't understand why it can't get into your brain that once I get money, I'm going to invest in the long term. And it's not even going to be in these bullshit AI fucking stocks you're talking about, bro. Yeah, tech stocks, this, that, and the other, but that's not going to bring the passive income either. I'm not trying to fucking invest into a fucking long-term account. It's just so I can withdraw it fucking when I'm 65. That's not the point. The whole point is to build passive income, to build money without having to fucking work. That's the whole goal of this. And once I do make some money, what am I going to do? I'm going to invest into dividend stocks. I already know what long-term investments I'm going to make. So I can fucking shut this guy up already. And he's going to come back and be like, oh my God, I just watched him on Kick, or I just watched his live stream and he blew his account. Okay, it's another learning lesson. I was this close from being literally 1,000 in profit. But the thing is, I got stopped out. And the guy even said, he's like, this is a horrible stop. I was going to come here and go up. And he was right. These guys aren't bullshitting, so I'm going to learn from people that know what they're talking about. People that have consecutively succeeded in the fucking market. People that shown their consistency. And show up every single day for free. This shit I'm watching is free. Free content. That's all I really got to say. And this stock is now at 27. It gives 25 cents per share. You have 4 shares. It costs you about $100 and it gives you $1 every quarter? Every share you have, it gives you a quarter every quarter. So now you invest into this stock and then another stock that pays you monthly, and you let that snowball over the long term, you have a couple 100,000 in the stock market, you'll get a couple thousand back. What do I gotta say about me blowing another account? It's another learning lesson. We were in the drawdown first 2 days. It's gonna be a hard thing to come back from. That's already something I knew. And I know I can pass another account. I'm not in a rush. I'd rather learn as much as possible now so that later on I understand. This is just the beginning of the journey. This is what, day 2 of live streaming on YouTube. I'm not really stressing. I'm excited because it feels like I'm this close. I'm so close to understanding this shit. I'm so close to being profitable. I feel like all I gotta do is keep following these guys' footsteps because clearly they're doing something right. And like I said, once I started watching them, I'm only watching them so that I can be able to be more confident in my own trades. I'm trying to understand where they get their analysis and thought process from. I'm trying to understand what is the confluence to trading. Technically, the account's not even blown. I literally just fucking locked myself out. So who knows if we'll be able to trade. This is basically, yeah, the $2,000 max loss limit, unfortunately, but it's all right. It is all right. We're gonna keep on growing and keep on learning from this.
The hardest things bring the greatest rewards. Sometimes the easiest path isn't the one we're meant to take. Deep down, you know it, don't you? The things that are hard, the real sacrifices, they carry a weight, a feeling you can't shake. Choosing the harder path, the one nobody else wants, is where the journey toward greatness begins. Now, ask yourself, how many times have you turned away because something felt too tough? How often have you chosen comfort over challenge, avoided discomfort because the other path demanded more? But here's a truth few accept. The best things in life come at a price, and it's not paid in money or possessions. The cost is sweat, time, and sometimes tears. Greatness asks, what are you willing to sacrifice? Are you ready to step out of the ordinary and pay the price that greatness demands? Because this isn't about someone else's path, this is about blazing your own trail. It's hard. It feels like nobody understands, then you're probably doing something right.
I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. Come on, man. I believe. Give me a guard pack. Ooh, full art, first fucking pack. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. That's a good way to start this shit off. Come on, give me it. We gotta make $100 out of these 2 boxes, I believe. This one's 65. Oh shit. Oh fuck. We pull one more good card and it makes the money back. Oh fuck. Wow, I did not expect that. We gotta list that ASAP. Good thing I opened it. Yo, I got some good news. Now these, I actually did not sell them. I actually opened them. And I got good news. We about to make some money. Like a millionaire. All I do is grind. All I do is anything. All I do is shine. That's it. That's basically it. So we got Sensico Master Ball for $10, Genesect EX Illustrator Art for $65, Hilda normal card for $2, Hilda full art for $15, Hilda Pokeball for $5, Embor full illustration art for $35, and Scraggy Master Ball for $3. Now we got a good collection under our wings, along with this Mewtwo, which now has 95 views for $30. So in total, so we got 30 plus 10 plus 65 plus 2 plus 165 is a potential we're able to make, which is way better than if we were to just sell the box for $50 each. We're starting off small. We started off with $100. Now we have the possibility of making 165. But yeah, that's the end of this segment. We now have a nice collection to go along with this Mewtwo. I also have some Dragon Ball cards, so when I come back from the gym, I will most likely be looking into those and either looking into reselling them or just setting on my binder, because I do have to set up my master set binder.
Is we're taking trades only when our setup presents itself. And today, I'm just not getting any of that. I want y'all to see a good example of what I mean by A+ setup, because ES gave an A+ setup this morning. I kind of feel like they try to move similar, but take that with a grain of salt. ES gave exactly what I wanted NQ to do, and it was just all she wrote. Y'all look at this. This is ES. This is what I consider A+, right? We got a breaker structure here. So we have our major breaker structure and we have a minor breaker structure. Doesn't matter which one, they both work. So we got a breaker structure, price pulled back to the demand zone. You notice how no candles closed in this zone. This lets me know it's going to be an A+ setup. From here, you could either have gotten in aggressive, you could have gotten in conservative, you could have gotten in breaking a candle. All three of those entry types, they worked. They all worked in this instance. And as you can see, price just cooked up nicely. Since the market isn't giving much of anything, the most important thing I feel like is knowing when to walk away. I don't know about y'all, but for me, it seems like if I stay on the charts for a long period of time, I feel like I'm now chasing the market.
All right, just got off of work. I also put gas in. Las Vegas gas is cheap. Half a gallon filled up with $15. That's crazy. But I got some good news. While I was at work, I got a notification saying that this guy wanted to buy the 2 boxes. It's the same guy, but kind of lowered it down to $130, and I just said fuck it, because these 2 boxes, the Lorcana one, I don't really care. I'm trying to get cash. For 2 reasons. 1, I'm getting another evaluation, which is $50. And 2, I'm gonna buy a Pokemon collection with this, which is $120. Now today we got $7 in tips, but we're making some moves. We're making some moves outside of work, which is great. My coworker, she forgot to ask her brother, so we will see if we end up getting that construction job. I would be happy if I got that construction job. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Here's the thing.
it's not easy getting a job, bro. I'm not getting a job on Indeed. That shit never works. The only way to really get a job is by having connections. It's really plain and simple. That's the only way you ever get a job. If you get a job by fucking, I don't know. I really don't think it's easy to get a job just by trying to search for one. You really gotta search for one within the people that you know. And I don't know that many people here in Vegas. So that's why I'm thankful I already have the job I have. But we'll see. We'll see how this journey goes. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll let you guys know when I drop off the 2 boxes and when I end up going to sleep. Because tomorrow we're going to have to wake up for market open. See ya. Alright, bag is secured. Just got $130. And also just got a message from the guy that wanted to buy the Mewtwo. He asked if we're able to meet up tomorrow. I told him yes. He said he'd pick it up. So hopefully we make that sale tomorrow. Let's go. What's up, y'all? Just got home from selling the 2 boxes. And here is the tips from today. So from last weekend and today, our total tips are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. We're currently at 25. And here is what we made today. 20, 40, 60, 50, 110. 110. But 50 is going, there it is. Now this one, I'm about to test it out.
Order filled.
See if we can keep it alive. It's literally fucking 11:03. It's pretty crazy. $75 is going to my mom because she sent me money, and I'm gonna give her the cash.
Order filled.
Too volatile for my liking. We are now. This account's not dead. This account's not dead. So I thought it was dead. Oh, look, it's gonna go up. I thought this account was dead, but wow, I'm a pussy. But yeah, I thought this account was dead. Fortunately, it's not. Plus, we also have this one. So tomorrow, when we do have a good setup, I'm gonna go ahead and make the trade on here. But now we have 2 accounts to be working with. I'm out of here. But we got 2 accounts. We got 2 accounts to work with. Let's go. I low-key thought I blew the account earlier, but thankfully we did not. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.